8 minus 3 gives us 5, right? And then 8 minus 2 gives us 6, right? And then 5 times 6 gives us 30. Unfortunately, no, that's a wrong answer because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order of operations. And if you're asking yourself, yes, there is an order of operations, and without this, everybody would be lost. So you would say, this is the answer. I would say, this is the answer. So for God's sake, let's learn this order of operations once for all. It is called PEMDAS. It's an acronym. It stands for P for parentheses, E for exponent. Oh, that's an ugly E. M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for what? You tell me. Subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority. Then go for addition and subtraction. And you can also maybe memorize PEMDAS by this funny and ridiculous sentence. So please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. I don't know what the person did, but please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. So let's now revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes. Do we have any addition and subtraction? Yes, we have subtraction. But according to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So we must do this part at first. You thought these are paired. In reality, that was just an optical illusion. They are not paired. So 8 minus 3 times 8 gives us 24, and then minus 2. So we have just subtraction, go from left to right. 8 minus 24 gives us minus 16. Minus 16 minus 2 gives us minus 18, and that's the final answer. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had this part inside the brackets and squared and times 8 minus 2? That's really difficult. Okay, so make sure to drop your answers in the comments below. Please subscribe to Prime Logic to support me and motivate me. It really helps a lot, and I really appreciate it in advance. And like the video if you haven't already. All the best to you, my dear students.